All right. So we are talking about Cambridge telematics, CMT. This is the CMT score when it comes to, driving for Uber or Lyft. Uber has a CMT, which is Cambridge telematics. Lyft has some junk one. So yeah, whatever.
Uber sources it out to CMT. Lyft does their own in-house thing. That's why they're horribly not accurate. I think CMT is a little bit more accurate. Obviously, it's taken from the gyroscope of your phone, blah, blah, blah. So here's my offer. If any of you in the chat or whoever's going to watch this later by the thousands, if any of you have 100 CMT score or driving score, I want to interview you. Because, okay, 2 weeks ago, we had a gentleman who emailed Harry. Harry says, do you want to interview this guy? He was bragging about his 100 CMT score, driving score on Uber. This is the problem with behind the wheel, Chris.
You have a glass of water, just like a literal glass of water sitting on your dashboard, and that thing is just sitting perfectly smooth the entire time.
Huh? Craig Arianson, he has 100 CMT score. Email me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. Why? I want to interview you. Number one, how are you getting to 100? Number two, this is what behind the wheel candidates do, Chris. They all hot and ready to go. We go, okay, let me send you, when can we do this? And then it's crickets. They disappear. So this dude sent it to us. I was interested. I was willing to do an interview because he had 100 CMT score. I said, when do you want to do it? Disappear into darkness. So Craig Erlinson, email me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. We're gonna talk to you. So 98 is pretty good. 98 is pretty good, right? So how many people in the chat have 100? Say 100. If you don't have 100, don't put 100. I think 100 is freaking tough to get, bro. I don't think I've ever gotten close to 98, let alone 100. So I think I'm about 92, which is not bad.
Well, this particular driver has the 98, and they're in the top 16% of Chicago area drivers. So that means there's a lot of people who are driving pretty good in Chicago.
Well, okay.
Although
Craig,
I drive in Chicago all the time when we're there, and
look at all these scores.
A lot of people going fast.
Look at all these hundreds here, 99s and hundreds. What are you people doing? Are you people driving like grandpa, like 28 miles an hour? And what's happening?
They're pretending that their grandmother is in the back seat holding a big dish of pasta with spaghetti sauce, and if you spill at all, your car's going to get really dirty. So that's how they're driving.
Damn, man. Yeah, I'm 92, and I was pretty good. No, I guess not. But LA, LA, I mean, I don't know. Sunshine Man, 99. Sunshine Man is moving. I can announce it, Jeff. Don't worry. He's moving from beautiful, sunny Charleston to frozen tundra Denver. Sunshine Man, I'm disappointed in you that you're not 100. I mean, seriously. Anyway, so if you guys have 100 and you guys want to come and talk to me on Behind the Wheel and how you are accomplishing 100, because it blows my mind that I'm a good driver, bro. I can't even get there. So I'm going let me see how you guys are doing it. I think a lot of people will learn from you, and we'll put it on our channel. There we go. Email me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. If you're 100 and I need proof, send me a screenshot. Don't doctor it, because we know if it's doctored. So send me the screenshot. I will interview you. There you go.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Well, either way, I'm actually looking forward because CMT is going to be at Curbivore on Friday. So we'll be able to talk to them and see a little bit more information about their particular
look at this.
Good night and all that.
He says, good night. Guess you don't want to talk to me. No, we don't want to talk to you. I'm new to your live. Okay, welcome. And this is how I get treated. You know, there's like 400 people outside you here.
You know what? Here's the problem. This person is saying, "Hey, hi, new to you. Are you looking at me?" And then I have a question. Never ask the question, then saying, "So you know what? If you're gonna troll, then audio. If you have a real question, then ask it. Don't be trying to do that, or just email."
Free for all here, sir. There's no first come, first serve. It was a free for all. Anyway, so CMT100, email me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com, because my candidate disappeared.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.